$9 investment can make you millionaire in Shiba Inu coins in February 2024. Shiba Inu might pull off stunning comeback as price approach flooring price. Shiba Inu poised for massive price eruption as Shibarium breaks record with over 330 million transactions in 24 hours. So guys, you heard the articles that we are covering right now. There is many things, some of course informational articles, and some of them are giving us the predictions on Shiba Inu, where the price can go, and many more. On the end of the video, we are checking the most important one. Stay tuned till the end because I think that is important, and also consider subscribing to this channel because that will mean a world to me. Comment, of course, always appreciated. Watching on the Shiba Inu 1-day chart. We're now close to the lowest price for the day, sitting on 0.50886, and I mentioned a couple of times in my previous videos that the floor price is 0.5085, which we aren't dropping below it. Now, the informational one, the article that is explaining what $9 of investment can mean. We can read a lot on this article and find a lot of information, and also I want to mention that on the end of the video I'm doing technical analysis on Shiba Inu, giving my price prediction and where I'm aiming for the price to go. Of course, with my analysis, I think that you can find it really useful, but of course know that this is not financial advice, don't take this as one, and always do deep research before any investment of yours. Overall, this article is explaining that 1 million SHIB coins is worth around $9 with the current price. It is even lower, $8.8, something around it, and if the Shiba Inu coin reached the 1 cent mark, that investment of $9 would be worth around $10,000, which is, I think I'll find it right now in the article, and it will show how much is that. That is around 100,000%. If you invested more, it could be worth more if it hit all those targets. So from $9 to $10,000 and from $100 to $100,000. Massive X is big percentage, and overall really something that you can think about. Next article. As says, Shiba Inu might pull off stunning comeback as price approaches the flooring price. Flooring price, in my prediction, put on $0.5085. So, Shiba Inu price is at a major inflection point that might spark the start of a bullish ride. At the time of writing, the price is 3% down and was on 0.5089, which now is a little lower. Of course, it results in drop of the volume also and overall market cap because that is normal. Shiba Inu has recorded roller coaster in the past month, and it goes from 0.84 to 0.10 less, so 401. That is something that range of Shiba Inu for the January of this year. So since it hits this high price level on January 11, token entered the downward spiral to its current level today. With the consistent sell-off in SHIB, the price is now likely approaching its floor price. Shiba Inu standing comeback projection might first be likely to retest 0.401 price level and from there chart a way up down on previous all-time high. The trending volume is already hinting at this impending surge as it is 15% up in 24 hours to 71 million. Shibarium as a catalyst in this article is combining two things. The one that is explaining why Shibarium can be catalyst, and the next article that we are covering where we have the record breaking on Shibarium with 330 million daily transactions. Since the launch of Shibarium, it is scaling. It is layer 2 scaling solution. There's many things to check over here. With the advance of Shibarium, the network demand for SHIB may increase over time to stamp the sell-off pressure in the token and return its to winning ways. Overall, the token might soar more than 7.4% in this month, a surge that will help to clear 1-0 as it has always strived for. We're trying to delete zeros all over the place, and the last and final most important article, which is the biggest catalyst for me. Shiba Inu poised for massive price eruption as Shibarium breaks the record with over 330 million of transactions. Shibarium Layer 2 solution making waves in the crypto world after achieving a remarkable milestone of over 335 million transactions. That is really big, and you can see that revealing a staggering 2.46 million transactions over the past 24 hours on Monday, substantial leap from the 1.96 million, which is great and really amazing. Surge in transactions activity comes to the heels of heightened engagement for Shiba Inu. Notably, following the launch on August 16, 2023, the Layer 2 ecosystem Swift garnered over 500,000 transactions in under 1 month. Momentum peaked at an impressive 4.7 million daily transactions by the end of November, but it dropped down, of course, and now the transaction volume is reaching between 1.65 million transactions on December 23rd. Fortunately, starting the year, the platform has undergone noteworthy recovery, with transaction numbers almost doubling, and the number of wallet addresses interacting with the network has reached all-time high at 1.343 million, with account surging to 63,000 of accounts that are connected to Shiba Inu. That is amazing. That is really big and biggest catalysis because it is showing that the Shiba Inu ecosystem and the Shib ecosystem that it is and they are building is growing faster and faster all the time, and the Shiba Inu as the main utility token of everything that they are doing is improving with it. So we need to do one more thing for the end. That is the price analysis on Shiba Inu. Now watching the chart, we can see over here the 1 day candle, so that is too much. We are watching the 1 hour candle, and I don't know for how many times this happened, but one more time we have the triangle. Triangle, or we call it, I love to call it something like descending triangle, that is closing down really soon. We have to draw the two lines, which is the normal thing, and we're doing that all the time. So one over here and one somewhere in this range. We want it to be at least somewhere approximately how it would look like now. Of course, lowering this bottom line, the resistance and the support level over here, and we can see what we can expect. I just moved myself on the other side so you can see this main and most important part of this chart. So seeing it, we can see conversion of the prices. The tops and the bottoms are getting pretty interpointed into one pattern that is looking like this triangle, and we can see that this support level can't be breached. It is on 0.50885. We dropped a little bit below, but overall that is our strong support point. And we have the closing triangle, which we can see somewhere around February 7th or 8th in the evening. The price will be there. I'm expecting it to converge into this point where it will probably go up. And as it says in the article, I think it can test 0.401 and from that reach even higher and higher price because we have the long downtrend. We can even pull the line from here and make the bigger triangle, but that is for some longer trades. These are the 1 hour candle, and that is why I'm just showing the last couple of days. Of course, no guys, that this is not financial advice. Don't take this as one, always do your own deep research before any investment of yours, and always invest the money that you are willing to lose. We'll finish the video here about Shiba Inu, the green indicators that we have, and the price prediction for the end. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. Leave in the comments, are you agreeing with me or not? What are your thoughts on Shiba Inu and where you think it is going? Thank you for staying till the end, and see you guys in the next video.